Hi, it's Camille, and today we're going to learn how to cook. I'm not sure what it's called, but tortelloni reggiano. Anyway, it's some good pasta stuff, and you're going to love it. First, we got to fill this thing to about can you see it? Well, anyway, you fill a pan with water. It says to put 6 quarts, but I'm just gonna put whatever I feel like, okay? We'll see what happens. You might also want some butter, because we could put some melted butter on the top after it's done, and it's gonna taste great. You also want pesto, because it's freaking incredible! For some reason I can't read it on there, but I guess you can. Basil pesto. Oh yeah, and now you want this thing. This pack. You don't need a lot. I mean, it says about 14 servings, so if you have like a family, you can do half of it. First, you want to set this, heat it to a gentle boil. That's what it says. So I guess I would wait. I would put a timer for 10 minutes and then see if it's boiling. Remember to only put this after it's done, or after it's really gently boiling, and then you have to wait for 2 minutes, and then the stuff happens. So let's see what happens. Okay, now I got it to a boil.
When you put those things in there, the water will come out.
Okay, Master Chef says there's too much water. So just put the 6 quarts. I'm going to set a timer for 10 minutes. Oh shoot. There we go. What the? Hold on. 10. There we go. Okay. I forgot one more thing. You also are going to need a drainer. Oh, no, strainer. Actually, it is a drainer. But the directions say heat 6 quarts of water to gentle boil. Oh, add a pinch of salt. Forgot about that. Salt here. I pinched the salt in, but I forgot to wash my hands. Let's go wash them. You know what? I set this thing to like between medium and low, but I want to heat it up, so I'm going to set it to medium. No, I'm just going to go to, because the fire's kind of scaring me. Never mind. No, I'm going to put it to medium. It's kind of fiery. Maybe the 10 minutes will be too long. We'll see. We'll check it 5 minutes in. They say you can either add butter or extra virgin oil, but since this pesto already has extra virgin oil, I'm just going to use this and the butter. Since we're waiting, we want to get hydrated. We want to get hydrated. So let's drink water while we're waiting for the water to boil. So I did the timer wrong. I put it to 9 hours. So we just stopped this. How do we stop this timer? Okay, we stopped it. Now it's starting to boil. And, I mean, it's already gently boiling. It's fine. I'm going to put it on lower. And now we're going to put this. This is where the good part comes in. I put this in. Here, let's just. Yeah. Okay, so I put all of it in there. Now I set it timer to 2. And now we're going to stir to make sure that they get evenly coated in boiling water. It's really hot, man. It was really hard putting this in. You got to be careful when you're putting these things in here. I think you should put in lower water so that the splash doesn't boil you. Make sure you don't get burned, okay? This is hard. So I'm just stirring it, just so that there's a balance. Okay. Now as you're waiting, you're going to want to get a bowl ready. Okay, we have 10 seconds left, and when we're done, we're going to put it in here. No, we're not. We're going to put it inside the strainer here, okay? 4, 3, 2, 1, let's go! Remember to use mittens. I turned off the fire first. I'm going to let it cool before I get mittens. Okay, now we put it in the strainer, right? But if there's stuff in there, make sure you put it away. And then you start washing. Okay, well actually no, we're not supposed to do that. We do that. We do. Here. Now we're going to put this in here. See? Make sure not to spill anything, because it's cooked. Okay. Alright, now we can put in some pesto and melted butter. Okay, so with my melted butter, I have this. I'm going to use a knife. Be careful with using knives, okay? Don't do this at home. Well, I mean, you have to, but like, do it carefully. So here, this. I did like a slice about this big. Okay, so anyway, we put it in there and we start mixing. Oh, we'll also put in the pesto. Let's put in as much as we see fit. It depends. I'm doing spoonfuls. Okay. So with this, I put in a spoonful of pesto and a slice of melted butter, and we're going to just stir it. And if we want, we could put some more pesto. Just cover all of the things, pasta thingies. Ooh, the melted butter melted right away. So just keep stirring. Make sure you get an even balance. Okay, I think I'm done. It looks disgusting, but let me. I think it's gonna taste great. It melted right away. You might, okay, anyway. Not as good as I thought it'd be. Good! I'm a good cook. I'm a good cook. Anyway, I'm trying out some more. I think I might have, I don't know, it's a little bit dry. Not dry. I don't know. I don't know what to think. I'm not a very good food critic. You know, I'm not really hungry. I think it's okay. I think I put too much pesto. If you think so, just try a little bit more butter. A little bit. I think my pinch of salt wasn't enough. I don't know. I'm not a cook. I'm going to try out this much butter and stir it again. She said it was good, but they also thinks it's bitter and sweet.
I don't know.
She doesn't know.
Because my taste is off.
Of course I asked someone who can't taste.
You ask somebody who can taste.
It's good. It's okay.
I like it.
I don't know. It tasted a lot better before.
I like it.
Just don't put the water after you drain it so that the butter and pesto can melt. Well, I mean, she says wait minutes for it to dry. Okay, fine. Anyway, that wraps up this cooking session with Camille. Have a safe life. I mean, if you need to be excited, anyway, be safe with the knives. Don't kill anyone. Not yourself either. Okay, thank you.